I am delighted to share my venture into creating air fryer cinnamon rolls. Even though it was my first time making cinnamon rolls in an air fryer, my initial batch came out wonderfully scrumptious. To make the dough, mix together 1 cup of lukewarm milk, ½ cup of sugar, and 2½ teaspoons of dry yeast. Then add 2 eggs and a 1/3 cup of melted lukewarm butter and give it a mix. And finally, add 3½ cups of all-purpose flour that I already mixed with a teaspoon of salt. Knead the dough, then cover the bowl and let the dough rest at room temperature, allowing it to rise for 1 hour. Now, roll the dough out and spread a 1/3 cup of room temperature butter evenly over the dough all the way to the edges. Now, mix together ½ a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, and ½ a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Generously sprinkle the sugar and cinnamon mixture over the butter. Then roll the dough into a log and cut the log into even 1½ inch thick rolls. Place the rolls in a lighted greased air fryer basket and let them rise for about 30 minutes before baking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes until slightly golden brown. Then take the rolls out and generously brush them with a heavy cream. Return the cinnamon rolls to the air fryer and bake them another 4 minutes until they are golden brown on top. Don't miss my other video on crafting scrumptious and nutritious air fryer baked oats that will revolutionize your breakfast experience. Check it out here.